This is Aaron Malin with the Kicker Tech Force. KXMARLC is a 4-zone level control specifically designed for the marine environment. Now, why would you want 4 zones on a boat? Let's say, for example, mom and dad are having an adult beverage on the bow and they want to have a quiet conversation. They've got their own volume control. Now, let's say the kids are hooting and hollering on the swim deck and they want to have a lot more volume. They've got their own volume control. Then maybe the captain wants his own level control, and perhaps you've got a wake tower system and you want to have individual volume for that as well. There's your 4 zones. Now, the same product can be applied to an RV scenario, recreational vehicle. Maybe your outdoor living room has a set of speakers, and then maybe there's another set of speakers in the sleeping area, and then another set of speakers on the galley, and perhaps the driver's got his own set of speakers. There's 4 more zones with independent level controls. We have a half-DIN controller that is mounted near the radio or the source unit, and this has your 4 separate individual knobs. You can also have individual labels on these, and we include some to get you started. Then you have the brain box. The brain box is mounted back near the amplifiers, and it uses traditional RCA inputs and outputs to connect to those amplifiers. There's also a complete set for RJ12 phone cables included, and this is what connects the brain box to the control knobs mounted by the radio. Now, the brain box has also a line driver built in, and all that means is no matter what source unit you're using, it'll have enough output to control up to those 4 zones or those 4 separate amplifiers. Now, let's say, for example, you've got a KMC5 Kicker Marine radio. This is a fantastic radio, but you can expand its capabilities with the KXMARLC because the KXMARLC gives you 4 more zones. So you simply connect the Zone 2 output of this radio to the input of your KXMARLC, and now you've got 4 additional zones of control. For more questions or more answers, check out kicker.com or talk to one of your local marine kicker retailers.